Hi everyone, I'm here at closeoutexplosion.com. As you can see, I've been opening up a pallet and going through some of the boxes. The dresses are absolutely beautiful. The majority of these dresses in this lot that I'm showing you in this pallet are by R&M Richards. You have all different sizes. You have sizes from 6 all the way to size 24. The majority of the sizes are from size 8 to 18. You have many different styles. This one is a plus size dress, 2-piece dress, size 20W. Next we have a size 8 dress, color plum. Here we have a size 16 dress. This is a 2-piece dress. Long sleeve dress, color plum. Beautiful, elegant dress. Let's pull out a different style. Okay, this is also popular style. This could be worn, at a fancy corporate event or at the office. Has a nice fashion pendant over here. This one is size 10, short sleeve dress. This is a size 8 sleeveless dress. Really nice summer dress. Some of the boxes haven't been opened yet. Let's look over here to see what we have here. Here we have a size 10 dress. Color champagne. It's a sleeveless dress, short sleeveless dress. Some nice sequins. This is a very fancy dress. Nice sequin dress. Could see gold, pink glitter. Sleeveless, zip up in the back. And it is a size 10 dress. Here we have a conservative 2-piece dress, size 10. Long sleeve jacket. The arms on the jacket are see-through. Very elegant work dress. Here's a nice size 18 dress, color steel. Okay, this dress is Merlot. You can see this is the back. The back is open. This is, I would say, even a prom style dress, fancy party dress by Morgan & Company. This is a very popular style. R&M Richards, size 8. Keep in mind that, there are many different styles in the boxes. If you'd like to see pictures of all the dresses, you can send me a message and I'm happy to send you pictures. Some of these dresses have original retail values of up to $298 a dress. Here's a short party dress, size 6 by Nightway. Here's another elegant party dress. It's a revealing dress. It is by Morgan Company, size 7. And here's a work style dress. It's a dress with a jacket. It's a regular length dress. It's a 2-piece set, size 18W, color denim. Comes with a necklace. Here we have a size 16W dress. Look at this sachet belt. It's another elegant 2-piece office dress by Arnhem Richards. Comes with a necklace. Let's look at the size of this dress. It is a size 8P. Here's a really nice dress, size 10, with a bolero jacket and a belt on it. Okay, the bolero does have sleeves. As a reminder, I do have pictures of the dresses as well. You're welcome to send me a message by WhatsApp, or you could text me to my cell phone, or you could call me, email me, and I'll send you pictures. My WhatsApp and my cell phone number is 1-917-913-6093, 1-917-913-6093. I have many additional products in addition to dresses. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to doing business with you. And have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm looking forward to doing business with you.